Welcome to a brain booster game mobile application. I'm from Malaysia. I'm teacher Muniama, gladly present a brain booster game application for the innovations Malaysia Innovation Creativity Associations. The mainly I'm creating this application is based because of the interactive practice problem among the students, and students easily get a step-by-step solutions once they having a struggling or problem on any basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division question. And the other way, the student can personalize learning part, and additionally, they will get irrational feedbacks intentionally once they got correct answer. Seems we are developing year by year, but we still having a problem statement of limited engagement between the kids, especially the primary school, which they are more adapted on the gadgets, is more spending time on the phone. So in the other way is this application is created to help to use the limited engagement of other sources. Then they can perform much well in this application to develop their understanding on the mathematics. In other way is a integrative feedback. Students have frequently receive limited and delays feedback on their performance, so making it difficult to identify the correct mistake promptly. So this is a way and could help them to gather answers for the basic operations. And traditional research not be easily accessible to everyone. And other way we say these students often to juggle multiple sources on topic comprehensively and leading fragmented learning. So in the other ways, when they having like score a limited time, students are really like to play on that applications we created. The Brain Boost Maths game is provided comprehensive mobile solution that deliver interactive, engaging, and personalized maths learning experience by integrating real-time feedback, gamified learning, and adaptive study plans. An application will enhance user engagement, improve the learning outcomes, and ensure the maths education will be accessible anytime and anywhere and more enjoyable. The scope we are targeting on the audience on the students, educator, professional, and general user to make a maths learning is more easier and can solve a mathematical or problem solving once they master on the basic operations. Brain Boost a maths game designs on especially on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions by level from the difficulty easy and the medium, and also the hard. The players can select the desired difficulties and perform their levels and solve the questions with according to their levels and upgrading their levels once they're completing from the level 1 to 2 and until the level 6. To create this application, the methodology I use is based on the mobile application, which I have to use HTML structure, CSS styling, JavaScript functionality, and also the ChatGPT. Wow! So once the application is created, the access page you can access by the QR code or the web link or the smartphone application from the Play Store. The student can access throughout the tablet, the phone, and computer wherever and whenever they was. The Brain Booster game, the main screen will appear like this. These will indicate a level 1, the score, and the time duration is given 2 minutes. So the student can choose on the additions from the level 1 to level 6. At the same time, they can choose the subtraction from the level 1 to 6 and same goes in the multiplication and division. Once the student can enter the answer, they need to submit. Once they submit, and immediately they will get feedback from the screen. If the answer is correct, they will get great job, excellent. Meanwhile, if the answer is wrong, they will say, oops, wrong, try again. So it will motivate the student to do the more questions and get the score and beat the time to master their level 1 to 6. Let's see on the screen the brain booster game. Once the student enter the answer correctly, they will break a great job. Instead, if they did a wrong, they will say it incorrect and try again. The student can choose from the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions from the tools was given and answer level by level. So each addition questions they have a level 6, 1 until 6, and same goes until the division. So once the student complete the level 1, they will upgrading to level 2. So once they are completing a level 2, they upgrading to a level 3. So this will be giving a motivation to the students to upgrade their levels from the each basic operation is given. The uses of BBG application is accessibility, wherever the student can anytime, anywhere, and with any gadget they can be access its application. It's more efficiency. The students can get rewards, encouragement, and repeat uses. But at the same time, there can be a user experience to optimize their interface. And more importantly, it will help the brain developing for the student. At the same time, it will be a additional tool for the teachers to use to their students to master in their basic operations. Here is some example features that students using these mobile applications by their own. You can see that the students are really enjoyable to get a point and score throughout this application when they are installed in their mobile application. We can recommend this mobile application for the educational purpose, where the students, children, and anyone looking for improve their mental math skills in the basic operations, enhance in the cognitive development, individual looking for the boost their cognitive abilities. This can be an entertainment for the students and those are using this application. And it's a free mobile accessibility in the smartphone and tablet users. The users engage in all ages who enjoy challenges from the kids until the adults, and even though they're getting old. We can conclude that overall the Brain Boost Game mobile application strikes a balance between education's entertainment, offering the fun, active and beneficial way to enhance the arithmetic skill in the cognitive ability. So this application really useful for kids to really improve their mathematics skill in the basic operation. Hereby you can see the reference which I am using to make this mobile application from the CodeFrank, TinyHost, Web2 applications, FlexCones, and many more. Finally, I really glad and thank to everyone giving this opportunity to participate in these innovations, and I hope we can surprise our application with the free with a more interactive activities. This is starting from the BBG application BBG 1.0 and will create more if it successfully is reached to every student in everywhere. Thank you so much.